Hey, I'm Kyle with Maple Systems. Do you need a PC that's built to perform in the most demanding environments? Well, today we'll be taking a deep dive into one of our industrial panel PCs. It's the PC1400 Series. Let's take a look. The PC1400 Series is powered by an Intel Alder Lake N97 quad-core 3.6 GHz processor, meaning it can handle your SCADA system with no issues. It's available with up to 2 TB of fast M.2 NVMe storage and up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, providing smooth performance for running demanding applications. It's built to run any third-party SCADA software like Aviva Edge, Somatic WinCC, Ignition, and FactoryTalk. It supports a range of operating systems including Windows 10 IoT, Windows 11 IoT Enterprise, Windows 11 Pro, and Linux Ubuntu Desktop or Server. With an operating temperature range of 32 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius and a rugged black steel chassis with an aluminum heatsink, this panel PC is built for harsh industrial environments. There is the PC1400 APH, which features 1000 nits high brightness and 7 size options, a 21.5 inch, 19 inch, 17 inch, 15.6 inch, 15 inch, 12 inch, and a 10 inch. Then there's the PC1400 AP, which has all the same size options, but you can also get a 27 inch as well. Also, the entire PC1400 series have high resolution projected capacitive touchscreens, and they can either be panel or VESA mounted. Okay, now I'm going to unbox the panel PC, and for today's example, I'm going to be unboxing the 10-inch model, so the PC1410 AP. And when you first open the box, there's going to be the Maple Systems warranty. Also, you'll receive the PC1000 series quick start guide. And then there will be an accessories box, and the accessories you'll receive one input power connector with leads. Also, there will be a panel mounting kit. You'll receive one of these, and it comes with the brackets as well as the screws. There are also 4 VESA mounting screws. And then if you purchase the optional Wi-Fi, you will receive a Wi-Fi antenna. Now let's take the PC1410 AP out of the box. And when you remove the PC1410 AP from the box, it'll be encased in foam as well wrapped in anti-static plastic. So let's remove it from the foam. And remove it from the plastic. And here is the PC1410 AP. Now let's take a look at the I/O. On the bottom of the unit, starting on the left, is the DC input power connector. Then there's an illuminated power button, one 3.5mm audio mic in, one 3.5mm audio line out, 2 USB 2.0 host ports, one DE9P serial COM port, which is defaulted to RS232, but it can be changed to RS485 as well. Then there are 3 other DE9P serial COM ports that are configurable for RS232, RS422, and RS485. Then there's 2 USB 3.0 host ports, 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports, 2 DisplayPort outputs, and on the sides there are thumb screw holes for mounting. On the top of the PC is where you would connect the Wi-Fi antenna if you purchase the optional Wi-Fi package. And on the back of the unit is where the 4 VESA 100 by 100mm mounting screw holes are located. Then on one side is where the model name and build number is located, and you'll want to reference these when reordering the unit. This is also where you'll find the OS configurations, and you have options to purchase an embedded or non-embedded Windows license. Right here under the build number is where the embedded Windows license would be located, meaning the product key is activated for you at Maple Systems before you receive the unit. So it is plug and play. You can also purchase a non-embedded Windows license, meaning the Windows license is not activated. And that's placed on the other side of the PC. And you'll just need to scratch off the code right here and complete the activation yourself. Alternatively, we also offer Ubuntu Linux as an option. All right, now I've got the unit out of the box and gone over all the features and I/O. I'm now going to demonstrate powering up the unit. I've got the PC1410 AP connected to a power supply, so I'm going to power it on, and the PC is going to boot up. You see the Windows logo. There is the user welcome screen. And there it is. Well, that wraps up everything today, and remember, if you're looking for an industrial panel PC that can perform in the most demanding environments, the PC1400 series has you covered. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and please subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page to receive notifications on our most recent published video content. To get more information on our PC1400 series or on our full industrial panel PC line, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.